Working of solar system. The solar system is a fascinating and complex system that has been studied by scientists for centuries. It consists of the Sun, 8 planets, dwarf planets, and various other objects such as asteroids and comets. The working of the solar system is a result of the laws of physics and the forces that govern the movement of objects in space. In this essay, we will discuss the working of the solar system in detail, including the formation of the solar system, the movement of planets, and the various forces that shape the solar system. The formation of the solar system is believed to have begun around 4.6 billion years ago, when a cloud of gas and dust known as the solar nebula began to collapse under its own gravity. As the cloud collapsed, it formed a spinning disk, with most of the mass concentrated in the center, which eventually became the Sun. The rest of the material in the disk forms smaller objects, including the planets. The planets in the solar system are divided into two groups: the inner planets, which are Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars, and the outer planets, which are Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. The inner planets are also known as the terrestrial planets because they are similar in composition to Earth. While the outer planets are known as the gas giants because they are much larger and composed mainly of hydrogen and helium gas. The movement of planets in the solar system is governed by three fundamental laws of motion known as Kepler's laws. Kepler's first law states that planets move in elliptical orbits around the Sun, with the Sun at one of the foci of the ellipse. Kepler's second law states that planets move faster when they are closer to the Sun and slower when they are farther away. Finally, Kepler's third law states that the time it takes for a planet to orbit the Sun is proportional to the distance between the planet and the Sun raised to the 3/2 power. The movement of planets is also affected by the gravitational forces exerted by other objects in the solar system. For example, the movement of the planets is affected by the gravitational pull of the Sun, but it is also affected by the gravitational pull of other planets. This can cause the orbits of planets to shift and change over time, leading to complex movements within the solar system. In addition to gravity, other forces shape the solar system. One such force is radiation pressure, which is the force exerted on objects by radiation from the Sun. This force is most significant for objects that are very small and light, such as comets, and can cause them to change their orbits over time. Another force that shapes the solar system is tidal forces. Thanks for watching. Tidal forces are the result of the gravitational pull of an object on another object, which causes it to deform slightly. These forces are most significant for objects that are very close to each other, such as moons orbiting planets. Tidal forces can cause objects to become tidally locked, which means that they always show the same face to the object they are orbiting. The solar system is also affected by magnetic fields. The Sun has a strong magnetic field that affects the movement of charged particles in the solar wind. This can cause the magnetic fields of planets and other objects in the solar system to change over time, leading to complex interactions between objects. Finally, the solar system is shaped by collisions between objects. Collisions between objects can cause them to break apart, merge together, or change their orbits. Collisions between objects are most significant for objects that are small, such as asteroids and comets. In conclusion, the working of the solar system is a result of the laws of physics and the forces that govern the movement of objects in space. Thanks for watching! !